Okay, we're reviewing this DEHAN portable chainsaw, and first impressions are good. You get two batteries here with it, which I already pulled out. The batteries seem to have a pretty good charge on them. You get the charger. You get a replacement 6-inch chain here. You get another 6-inch bar. You get some safety gloves, although these are very lightweight. I wouldn't trust these to protect from an accident. You get a little brush to wipe a lot of the sawdust out. You get some safety goggles, and of course the chainsaw itself. First impressions are positive on this, but we're going to try it out. I took the cap off. I have to fill it up with some bar oil. I don't see any bar oil in my kit. I'm not sure if it's supposed to come with it or not, but that's no issue. I have some, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this up and check the tension on the chain, and then we'll cut something and see how it works. Okay, we met our first issue on this. I tried both batteries and they're extremely tight to the point where you can force them on, but I'm going to have to use a screwdriver to pry these apart. It's just the body of this was made too tight, and it's just not coming on and off like you'd like. I mean, you shouldn't have to pull a screwdriver out to have to pry this battery out, but that's what I'm going to have to do. Okay, we're going to try to cut some nubs off of this stump right here, and we'll see how it works. Did a good job cutting overall. I mean, I'm pretty satisfied with how it cuts. I'm just not thrilled with how tight this battery compartment is. And the other thing I noticed too is the oiler takes almost no oil. So that's going to be an issue. You're going to be constantly having to fill this thing up because it holds so little. And I also think that it doesn't specify in the manual, but I think you have to prime it yourself like the old-fashioned saws did like 40, 50 years ago. I don't think it's automatic. There's no sign to me that it is. I think that's the reason why this is a push-style cap right there. So you're going to have to remember to do that.
What's that noise? Oh!
poles are fully extended. So I noticed it's a little wobbly because it's heavy at the end. But we'll try.